All right, fellas, welcome back. Today is, what is today? Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2026, and I can put this camera up a little higher because I no longer have a hat on. How's everybody doing? I hope you're ready for another fantabulous stream. Kyle, loyal Kyle Lopez 629 has been in the chat room since I think around noon, and he's here still. He is here still. I saw Kyle's messages earlier on the stream where he was saying hi at literally like 12:30 in the afternoon. He was asking like, when does the stream go live? When does the stream go live? And he is still here first in the chat room saying hello, Kyle Lopez. It is good to see you back, sir. I hope you're doing well. We welcome you. Not Sure is also in the room. Not Sure. Kyle stopped by last night. I know you weren't here yesterday, Not Sure, so be nice to Kyle. He is a VIP. All right, he's a he's a VIC, a very important chatter. So you got to be nice to him. It is 4 p.m. for me. It's 4 p.m. Hey, what a coincidence. It's 4 p.m. for me too. Wow. Hey, so, all right. So I hope everybody is having fun. Hopefully Matthew or Henna or Lisa will join soon. I have not sent the link out to anybody. Matthew is here. The groom to be is in the chat room. Let me send the link out to the normal people that I send the link to. Like I'm going to send it to Henna if I can find her. Where in the world did she go? There she is. All right, I'm going to send it to Henna, who disappeared. It was funny. Yesterday, I assume still that Matthew and Henna were just like, fuck that guy, and then like we're just talking to each other because they disappeared at like the same time. At the same time, they just disappeared from the chat room. So I've sent Henna the link. Let me send it to a couple of other people. I'm going to send it to my friend Johnny Gators, as always. I'm going to send it to my friend Chook, as always. I'm going to send it to Nick, who I like to send lots of gay videos on Instagram, which I think is pretty funny. I'm going to send it to Lisa. Hopefully she'll join as well. I'm going to send it to Robbie, Mr. Flavor Pop. Robbie Flavor Pop always loves to join. And then I'm going to send it to my friends David and Justin. Hopefully they will join. And I think that's it on text messages. Let me go over to Instagram. And on Instagram, I always send the link to Razman, the Singleton Man, and then, of course, the beautiful Clarice. All right, so I'm going to send it to Clarice, and then I am going to send it to Razman. Clarice, who I honestly think should have been the female protagonist of Obsession, right? Because she does. Okay, let me pull. I know I'm not making any sense right now. Let me pull her up. Instagram. There I am. What is it? It's. Oh wait, there's my page. It's Claire Rice Instagram. I think is how I can find her. Yep, there she is. Oh, she's got like some. Okay, I got to be careful. But like, what do we got here? Like a big like. So anyway, she is what I would call your hot average looking girl. Like she is like the everyday girl who just happens to be very hot. And I think she would have been like the woman who played the main protagonist of Obsession did a great job. Don't get me wrong. But like I would have preferred to see Clarice. Or Claire Rice. I would have preferred to see Claire Rice in the role. But she is a cutie patootie, and so I have. Wait, did I send her the message already? Yes, I sent her a link to the. to the stream already. So hopefully, I like to think she's already in the chat room, or like she's already watching the stream. You know, maybe she's that one person who's always watching on Twitch. Now, I have to like give her a little bit of hell because she has her pronouns in her profile, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm not going to hate too much because she is a cutie patootie. I'll just put it that way. She is a cutie patootie. Anyway, enough about that. I hope oh wow, the chat room is just full of life right now. Kyle Lopez is saying why some people have blue username in chat. Not Sure is explaining it to him. Kyle is saying thank you. Lisa is in the chat room saying hello. Everybody is saying hello to everybody. And Claire is crazy hot girlfriend. Actually, she's not. She is not. It's interesting. The crazy hot girlfriend meme was this girl, I still say girl, even though I know these people are women. So I'm going to try and be respectful to Lisa. I'm not going to be respectful to Henna because she's not here, but I'll try to be respectful to Lisa. So the woman who was the origin of the crazy girlfriend meme was, she started out on, what the hell was it? It wasn't, this was like 2006, 2007. So I don't think it was Twitter. I don't remember what it was, but it was this woman named Apple Milk. Her name, what do you mean I can't read? What did I misread this time? Jesus Christ. It was, wait, Claire is crazy hot girlfriend. Crazy girlfriend hot. Whatever. Crazy. Oh, she's crazy girlfriend hot. Oh, okay. Well, what, Lisa, let's see you try doing a stream, okay? All right. Anyway, but what I'm talking about is it crazy attached girlfriend or crazy attached girlfriend meme? This is what I thought. Yeah, this is who I thought. Not sure was talking about, but this was a woman named Apple Milk. She originally went by Apple Milk, and so this came about in like 2012. And Apple Milk, she originally went to Japan to study abroad. I don't know why I know that. I just know that. But I know that because Tanizaki on my message board, like, he was obsessed with her because he started trolling her because he trolls anybody who attempts to speak Japanese, and she was in Japan learning Japanese. And so anyway, and then a couple years later she becomes very famous, but she becomes very famous with this overly attached girlfriend meme in 2002. Lena Morris. I'm just curious. I want to make sure this is actually, Lena Morris, Apple Milk. Now this is going to completely prove me wrong, but let me see. Lena Morris. Okay, show results with Apple Milk. Okay, of course, nothing with Apple Milk comes up. So maybe I just completely made that up. Did you stay at St. Pierre Miquelon, and what adapter did you use there? I did. I stayed in St. Pierre Miquelon for a week. I have videos on my channel of my stay in St. Pierre Miquelon. I don't remember what adapter, honestly. I really don't remember. I have no memory of what adapter I used. Like, I don't remember things like that. Like, I don't remember. We may need search and rescue for Henna. She hasn't replied for a few hours. Oh dear. Well, yeah, no, she may, I hate to tell you this, Matthew. I hate to tell you this, but Henna has a few gentleman callers, shall we say, and one of those gentlemen may be calling. So we'll just put it that way, and that may be why she can't respond right now. So I hope that doesn't break your heart. But if I had this set up, I would. Okay, whatever, Lisa. I really want a member, but I'm broke. Them's the breaks, Kyle. Them's the breaks. Lisa says the video is from when she covered a Justin Bieber song. Kyle's like B, remember I meant. She covered Boyfriend by Bieber, making it Girlfriend. I don't know that I've ever heard that song. Yes, Matthew, we do need. She's probably milking her favorite bull. Says not sure. Well, I mean, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, right? Like, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. And because Henna's not here, we're going to work on the maps. No. Let me see. All right, let me pay attention over here for a second. This is getting spicy. I've got to let me load up my timer. Let me reset this for 1:15. Give me a second. All right. See, I got back before the end of the timer. It sounds like Not Sure was... Okay, I got to mute these sound effects. Not Sure sent some gifts. That was very nice. I guess the goal there was to see if Kyle actually was one of the people that received a gift, and it does not look like he was or is. Of the 38.8 thousand subscribers, he might just be lucky enough. Well, the thing is like the membership gifts or the gift memberships, it's supposed to basically give them to the most active viewers that aren't a member, right? Like that's supposedly how it works. And so that might not qualify for Kyle, seeing as how he just got here yesterday. So it may not work. It may not work. It picks. I don't think it. So Matthew says it picks completely random subscribers. I read that it does not. I read somewhere that it does. It picks the most active subscribers randomly. Like it'll do like the top whatever, most active subscribers. I don't know how it defines active subscribers, but I believe that it's not just random out of every subscriber. But let's see. How does the YouTube algorithm decide who to give gift memberships to? Memberships to. No, you said I will not. All right, you guys just entertain yourselves for a second. All right. Yeah, the YouTube. Okay. So using an automated weighted priority system that factors in your engagement history, loyalty signals, and current activity. Viewers who watch frequent, comment, and interact with the channel are highly prioritized. So once again, I am correct. It is not completely randomized. Once again, the junior engineer is incorrect. No, I don't understand. It should, okay, blah, blah, blah. I read all that. It's like 99 cents. Anyway, Matthew, it's fine. I will try against it. It's 99 cents. Kyle, I refuse to believe you don't have 99 cents. I refuse to believe I refuse to believe you live in America and do not have 99 cents. Lisa, you're in thin ice, Lisa. I was going to make a mean joke. I'm not going to. Even though Lisa likes to make mean jokes about me, I'm not going to make a mean joke for Lisa. I was about to make a mean joke, but no, not going to. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me reset the timer starting now. All right. All right, that's all I needed. All right. Okay, Not Sure is just going to keep. Do I get a cut from this? Like, do I get a cut from these gift? It's not free. It's 99 cents, I think Matthew said. So, keep trying. Just keep. You know what? Not Sure. You got to keep trying. You got to keep trying until Kyle gets it. How much? My memberships are how much? I think they're 99 cents, aren't they? So, like Kyle, you know what, Kyle? Post your Venmo, post your PayPal. I'll PayPal you $1. All right, I'm going to PayPal you $1. Let me see. Join. It's 99 cents for a single month. No pressure to get a membership. Okay, don't sign up. You don't need to sign up. And Kyle once again is just saying hi. He just says hi. I love this guy. I don't know who he is, but I love this guy. He just is over there just saying hi. Okay. I don't know why I found that so funny. He just says hi. All right. Anyway, I do think it is. I know, so innocent. I know. It's just like every few messages, I just see him saying hi, hi, just like hi. Oh, I love it. I know I am innocent. Yes, you're innocent. You're innocent. And apparently also broke. So I mean, there's that, right? Ah. All right. So we're gonna start up Unity. We're gonna work on the game today. We're gonna work on the game. I've got two more, and not counting today. I've got 2 more days to work on the game, and then we're never working on it again. Okay, I am making a post of this channel. All right, I don't know what that means. I don't know where you're making the post, but okay, make it. I think I have 1 USD, but I don't know. I told you, post your Venmo, your PayPal, or whatever. Spend the $1. I will send you $1. I will send you and I bet you if you posted your Venmo or Cash App, I would not be surprised if Not Sure also sent you like $20 because he just loves sending money to people. Hey, can I get $20? Can I get $20? And I'm making you're making a post on YouTube. All right, I appreciate it. Watch Kyle. He's probably like, I bet Kyle Lopez 629. Let's keep our fingers crossed that this is like Mr. Beast's alternative channel. And the reason he doesn't have $1 is because he just did like I'm going to spend my entire net worth on one video. And then that's what he's doing. And he's waiting for the royalties for that video to come in. And so that's why he doesn't have $1. But he's going to post it on his channel. I am not Mr. Beast. You know, you couldn't let me just live that fantasy for a minute. Really? You couldn't just let me have that for a second. I don't know. Okay, Lisa's gone. I think she left. Thank God. God, that woman just comes in and just gives me grief the entire time. I'm not Mr. Beast. Okay, 1 second. I will be back. Not Sure says you'd have to let me decide. Okay, fine. What are we working on? I was getting ready to work on the game, but you know what? I'm gonna work on lore building. That's what I'm gonna work. I'm gonna work on the wiki page. I'm gonna work on writing stories, the really interesting stuff. That's what I'm gonna. Or no. Oh my God. If Not Sure sent me $20 and said, let's work on Kekbo, oh my God, that would make my day. That would make my day to be able to like work on Kekbo. Like, we'd probably be here for like 3 hours if we were working on Kekbo. Matthew says, I've been working on lore for Nomads. It's just in my main repo at the well, your game's not open source. So like, I don't know. So like, what good does it be in your main repo? And also, it's not your main repo, it's your master repo, okay? All right, let's stop with the pronouns in your GitHub repos, okay? Just no, stop it. It's master. It's not main. Like I like when GitHub went and actually changed all that shit to like to main, I was like, no, I changed it back to master. And that's like the first thing I do. It's one of the settings, right? One of the settings. Where is it? I don't remember where, but I'm pretty sure. Actually, it might be a per repo setting. Is it a per repo setting? Let me see. Now I want to know. If I go to settings for this repo here. Yeah, default branch, master. So, okay, the default branch is considered the base branch in your repository against which all pull requests, blah, 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 blah. But I'm pretty sure you can change this, like, I'm pretty sure you can change that too. Anyway, but yeah, no, first thing I do, I switch that shit back to master as fast as I can. Actually, it's in develop. All right, give me a second. I need a timer. Where's my timer? Really, I wonder, is there a setting on this timer where it can play a sound? Let's see. Options. Play sound. No. There's no like. There's nothing like that. All right. Let me set the timer. I'll be right back, boys. All right. All right. Sweet. Oh my God. The music stopped. Everything just stopped there. Let's see if we can get something a little more upbeat since we've got a bit of a crowd. Let's see. No, not that. Not that. Let's see. Let's see. I'm still waiting for Not Sure to send me $20 and tell me to work on Kekbo because that's just going to make my day. Like that's just going to like, oh my God, that'll make my day. The problem is that I only have about 4 or 5 songs that I can play. Well, you know what? It's not like my videos get a lot of views anyway, so maybe it's all right if they just kind of get dinged on copyright. It's not a copyright strike either. It's just this video can't be monetized kind of thing. Let's see. Whoever keeps distracting you can wait until after the stream. Nope, cannot wait. Kyle Lopez says he's back. I didn't even know Kyle Lopez stepped away. Oh, he did. Okay, 1 second. I will be back. Did you find the dollar, Kyle Lopez? All right, not sure. Are we working on Kekbo or are we not? Are we working on Kekbo or what are we working on? What are we working on? I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Okay, I think I can delete all of these prefabs, all the animal prefabs. It's good to know we have them. Of course, in a week I'll forget that they're even there, but that's fine. I have to go at 4:30, says Kyle. Whatever. Everybody leaves me. That's fine. It's fine. Where are you going at 4:30? It's more important than this stream. Huh? Where? That's what I want to know. Yep, it's just going to be us, boys. It's going to be back to the OG crew. Me, Not Sure, and Matthew. The way it was meant to be. I need to work. How many live branches does this repo have nowadays? Of St. Aveline? Actually, not that many. Let's see. Although, I have not gone through a good purge. So the live as defined on GitHub may be different than live in general. Oh, just 68 branches. Let's see. Like, okay, the latest branch called Lisa's Boobs. Yep. Like this we can delete. That we can delete. Like, I mean, we can delete most of these, right? Like Mission Uno. We can't delete Lisa's Boobs. Not yet. All right. I don't think 68 is that bad, actually. But see, who actually deletes repos after they merge? I rarely do that. Okay, let's just go and nuke. Is there a single button for like nuking all of the stale branches? Because if there's not, there should be. All right, we're just going to go through. We're just going to do some hygiene. Just cleaning up the branches. Just cleaning up the branches. That's right. We can do this. There we go. Delete that, delete that, delete that. We should almost be done. There should only be one more page. Look, but see, you know, I'm kind of sentimental. Some of these branches go back 6 months or more. Look at this. Like, here's one 4 months ago, 5 months ago. Like, some of these are long, like 5 months ago. When did you show up, Matthew? Like, when did you show up? Was it like summer of last year or was it before some? Let's see. Was Matthew around when I went to Fiji? I can't remember. I think March of April last year. Yeah, so you might have showed up like right around when I went to Fiji. All right, so I think I can delete a lot of these. Like, I'm just going to delete all of this and then this prefab goodness. As I was saying, if you like to see my post on my channel, Addy. All right, I think Kyle wants me to check it out, so I'm going to check it out. Let's see. Kyle Lopez 629. Kyle Lopez 629. Okay, so he's got some videos. 52. Oh, you know what? I'm going to subscribe. You got one more subscriber, Kyle. Let's see. Let's check out the post. What did he write? I have met the most funniest channel on YouTube today. It is called Addy Goes Places, and he's live stream, make me laughing or smiling, and I'm going to give that a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you. No one really does. Well, you know, look. No one really. There's Not Sure with this fucking back. You. When did you go away? Would you people stop saying back already? God. Anyway, I've been live streaming now for like going on 2 years, and it's still, most of the time, it's just me. It's still just me and these two knuckleheads, Not Sure and Matthew, okay? It's still just us three, like sitting around like circle jerking, okay? Like, so what I'm getting at is you just got to keep at it. And like lately, like I've been feeling that like in the past like month or so, the channel's gotten a little bit of steam. Not a lot, but it's been picking up a little bit. Like the chat rooms are generally more livelier on average. Like the average chat room engagement. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Stop everything. Stop the stream. Stop the music. Stop. Nope. I just noticed something about Kyle Lopez's YouTube page. Can you guys figure it out? I'll turn the music back on. Can you guys figure it out? I just increased the font a little bit. Can you guys figure out what I'm reacting to? Addy Goes Places, I don't think Kyle is allowed to be on the internet in the UK. Matthew says, yup, I saw it straight away. Not Sure says he's like 12 years old. Nope, it's not that he's 12. It's not that he's possibly 12. That's not it. There's something else. No, don't give it away, Matthew. Jesus Christ. It's right here. Right there. He's got it. He's got pronouns in his profile. Pronouns in the profile. That is an instant way to not get subscribers. That's why you're stuck at 53 subscribers. Kyle, I recommend you get rid of those. I think I have pronouns in mine, but I think they are sarcastic. Let me see. Okay, I don't. What about my other channel? I don't know, like the dead channel that I don't use anymore. Does that one? Oh, okay. My other channel does have pronouns. I do have pronouns. Fair, or whatever that means. Ooh, excuse me. My pronouns are Not Sure. Yes. All right, give me a second. I need to spend time over here for a second. Let me restart the timer. All right, let's go. Okay. All right, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought. Oh, I never started the timer. Classic Not Sure. Pronouns are Not Sure. Yeah, you see, Kyle, when we met Matthew, he did not have the best living situation. He wasn't working out. He wasn't getting out and meeting people, and he had pronouns in his profile. Now, nearly a year and a half later, he's working out, lifting, making great progress in the gym. He's gotten into a better living situation. He's going out, meeting people. And most importantly, he got rid of the pronouns in his profile. So all I'm saying, I'm not saying one thing's connected to another. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that they're related. Okay? I'm just saying that after Matthew started coming to this chat room, to this stream, things are looking up. Yep, see, all thanks to your streams. Yep, see? Well, I couldn't have done it without Not Sure. Really, it's me and Not Sure. This is a team effort with me and Not Sure. That's why he sends me $20 every now and then, because it's a team effort. Now I'm just shamelessly trying to get money out of Not Sure. No money. Although I really do want to work on Kekbo. I really do want to work on Kekbo. Okay. What were we working on? Okay, let's see what we can work on the game. Let's look at the game. How do I change my pronouns? I tried going to YouTube. I don't think it's YouTube Studio. I think it's Is it YouTube Studio? I think let's see. Go to view your no, wait a minute. Okay, wait. View your channel. Okay, so let's see. And then if I go, what about customize channel? Let's see. Yeah, if you click on your profile and you go to customize channel, well, you know what I mean. Go to youtube.com, go over here, click on customize channel. Am I losing my mind? Am I losing? Oh, wait, it's right here. Customize channel. There it is. Yeah, the customize channel button. Click on the customize channel button. And then down here, pronouns. I'm going to be respectful and just remove them. I'm going to remove them, and I probably should update this. I'm just going to remove that. Broadcasting. No. A self-help stream. No, wait, this is my old channel. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to leave it blank. I'm just going to publish it. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. Let me see what's going on here. All right, so he's aggro. He's shooting. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I know what we can work on. We can figure out why the fuck the gun doesn't make any sound when I shoot it. The gun doesn't make any sound when I shoot it. And I think it has something to do with like the sound thing being like the sound object or whatever the thing is. The audio source, it's like all the way over here for some reason. And I can prove that. Let me see if I can prove it. No, I'm not doing ragdoll physics, and you haven't sent me $20. So I'm definitely not doing ragdoll physics. And honestly, even if you send me $20, I'm not doing ragdoll physics. So just save your money. So let's see. Matthew says, let's make some gameplay. Kyle says, one time my son posted an AI video on my channel, and the person commented and said, AI really? That happens. Okay, so I think if I go over here... Oh, wait, you know what? We changed the map, so I have no idea where that audio source is. Okay, so the audio source should be on the gun, on the pistol, right? So that would be in the prefab. So let me go to the prefab. Pistol. All right, pistol. Prefabs. No. Pistol. Okay. All assets. In assets. There we go. Pistol. Not pictol. Pistol. All right. Here we go. Okay. Scriptable object pistol. That should... Pistol audio source. Is there like a find references? Find references and scene. No, that's not what I had in mind. Here we go. Prefab pistol 1. Oh, god damn it! It was just there! Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, there. Okay, so this should have an audio source on it. Okay, I can delete this. I can get rid of that. This should have an audio source, right? Line renderer. It has the line renderer, which draws the bullet, basically. Box collider. Rigid body. I guess the box collider is disabled by default because I turn it on when I throw it. Wow. Okay. All right. I'm just going to try adding an audio source. Audio. Will Tyler says, be right back. And then Kyle says, okay, you know, it's great because we have these trolls that say, be right back. And now I'm kind of hoping that Kyle becomes a troll that says, hi. So, like, I don't know. Hold on. I'll be right back. You know, guys, this might be a bit of an intermission. You're gonna have to give me. Let me play a video. I'm gonna play another live stream. I'm gonna play an old live stream. I might be a few minutes. So let me find a live stream to play. Yeah, sorry about this, but I need to take a break for a second. I'll be right back. Into anything. Verso is very famous to host front-end websites. Great. What? Okay, great. Oh my God, you people are driving me nuts. So, the question is, how do you get the data in a structured way? How do you get the data out of the markdown files in a way where you can have, so the way it would work, let me pull up the number one architect tool. This is used by architects all over the world. And this is paint.net, which is just as good as Microsoft Paint, right? So if I have, let's see. So let's think about this. So I have you know what? I'm going to try and use something different. I'm going to try and use, is it draw.google? I want to make sure I don't show anything that, I don't want to show anything that's sensitive. So let me look at this really quick. I want to see what this file is right here. Sorry, but the file, okay. All right. What is the Google drawing program? Draw.google.com? No, that's not it. Google Drawings. Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed those 30 seconds of that. I might have to go again in a second. I don't know. We'll see. All right. I'm a little distracted. Silver Diner Bros Unite, Will Tyler says. Okay, I mean, we are big Silver Diner fans here. Kyle, do you have Silver Diner where you live? Do you? Or wait, Kyle, I thought Tyler, not sure has to go. Kyle has to go. I'm sure Will Tyler will be going in a couple seconds. So, you know, it's just like, I'm not sensing a lot of love from anybody today. I'm not sensing it. Stay safe, not sure. Yeah, well, he's got to go. He's got to make sure that those airplanes can land themselves or something. I don't know what he does. He does something with planes and airports. Kyle says, I will leave soon. Okay. Well, all right. Yep. Everybody leaves. Everybody leaves me eventually. Everybody leaves. Okay. So I think the thing here is there's probably an audio mixer. No? Yes, audio master. Is that, yeah, audio mixer controller. So wait. Oh my God. Go back to the pistol. I'll unfortunately have to leave when the stream ends as well. Go back to the pistol. Okay, what I'm going to do. So I think I need to put something on the output, right? Don't I? Oh, I can click it. I don't have to drag anything. I can click this. Master. Yes, that's what I want. Master. Okay. Audio generator. I don't think I need to put anything on the audio generator. Okay, so that's just or could I? I guess I could. I could put the gunshot sound, right? I don't know what it is, but I could look it up. Gunshot. We'll just go with this one. Okay. So that's the audio source that's on the prefab, I think. Is it? Yes, it's on the prefab. There it is. Okay. So now, if I go to the shooting logic, all right, let's load up Visual Studio. We haven't done that. Kyle says, I can't believe my son made an AI video. Try going on that comment to the AI video and reply because, like I said earlier, somebody replied on that AI video. That's a lot of AI video going on. Let's see which one's the AI. Is it this one? 3 minutes of copyright music from 106.7. Are you in the Washington D? Well, wait, actually, where I live, 106.7 is like a sports talk station. So, the three shorts. This one.
Happy Easter. I hope you enjoy chocolate eggs for girls and boys.
I'm not leaving. This is not a goodbye video. The dog one. This one.
Watch this. Here we go. Ha! Still me, just furrier and frankly more adorable. Let's crack this open. Easy twist. There we go. Cheers.
Wait, this is AI?
Refreshing. That's how you open a bottle when you've got paws, my friend. A gentleman stays hydrated, even with a tail. Watch this. Here we go. Ha!
AI, really? I know, right? I thought this was real. All right, I'm commenting too. Okay. All right, so I can go to Pistol One Entity, I think it is. And then here I'm doing some weird stuff with like the audio source. Oh, I'm instantiating the audio source. Yeah, that's dumb. That's dumb. Okay, so I think instead of instantiating it, I could just do get component, right? Like I could do... Wait, audio source is probably an audio source. Yes, so I can just simply do audio source equals this game object get component audio source. Let's go ahead, just for giggles, let's stop there. Let's do a breakpoint there. We'll attach to Unity and we'll run. Matthew says, no. Get component. Just assign an inspector. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that works too. Well, wait. Just assign an inspector. The pistol one. Wait, is it? Oh, wait, let me see. Maybe I guess it is attached. All right, come on, Unity. All right, let me see. Where did it go? Pistol One Entity. All right. Are you for real? You're working on loading it? Come on. What the hell happened? Did I delete it? Okay, here we go. All right. Serialized field. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens now. All right. Unity is doing its thing. It's so strange. Wow. Okay. Okay. I don't want to add it as a component. So I want to remove... Okay, before I remove it, let me just add it here. Add audio source. Okay, I'm just going to... Yes. Gunshot source. Gunshot audio. Source. Okay. Now, basically, I just want to copy what I had in the other one, right? I just want to copy master here. Okay. And then I want to have audio generator. I want it to be this sound here. Or let's just do gunshot. Okay. All right. We're going to go over here. It's not going to be the right one. No, that one has too much lead time. We'll go with this one. Okay. So now I can go back here and I can delete this. Okay. And then, so now I have this object. So now I can go here and I can just do this. Okay. That should be good. So now, as Matthew said, I don't need to I don't need this at all. And now it should just work. It would be sound effects. No, I guess it would be. I mean, I guess if I want to be that granular about it, which I guess I do. If I get back to Unity. Okay. So this... Okay. Let's see what happens. Call play when fire. I'm already calling play on that. See, if I go here, I'm calling play one shot, I think it's called. Play one shot. This right here. Oh, I don't need the... I know. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't need to specify the sound. It already has a source. I just need to call play. Got it. All right. Now I see what Matthew is saying. Okay. Okay. Let's just do that. And then there's play on awake. Awake. I don't need to put play on awake. Okay. And now let's see if this works. I have no doubt it will work. I have lots of doubt. Lots of doubt. Oh, I have lots of doubt it will work. I'm not talking about the game. Okay, let's just run over here. Okay, we have sound. So Matthew says change spatial blend to 3D. Okay. Otherwise, even NPC gunshots will sound next to the ear. Okay. Oh, that's true. You know, I wasn't hearing the NPCs fire. I wasn't hearing them shoot. Oh, you know what? Okay. Where did that NPC go? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. He's invisible. He's invisible. Why is the NPC invisible? He's invisible. I thought you would I thought I fixed the invisible dude too. Oh my God. Wait a second. Give me a sec. Okay. Snooze for 9 minutes. Give me a second. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Yeah, let me try this with the 3D spatial blend. Okay. Now he's not visible. I mean, now he is visible. Why aren't you chasing me, fella? Now, will he... I think if I'm close enough, he should turn in the direction of the gunshot. Yeah. And then he's like a nervous Nelly. Okay, what happened to the death animation? The death animation's broken. All right, let's fix that. Let's actually check in the code we have. Actually, give me a second over here. All right, I need a few minutes, I just need a few minutes. I know the show started with so much energy, right? Like the stream was just like, I was like, oh man, this is going to be an awesome show, guys. This is going to be fucking great. This is going to be so fucking cool. And this is what you get. This is what you get, right? But you know, just sometimes things just, they just go crazy. Ay, give me a second. I think I'm going to work on the map. No. Matthew's here, and I have his undivided attention. Although, like, I'm like totally distracted over here off screen, but that's okay. That's all right. Matthew's busy, probably playing a game or working on his own game or something. I don't know. What are you doing, Matthew? I know you're working on something. I know you've got something cooking over there, or are you? Or are you missing henna? You're just too heartbroken and missing henna. I'm learning Unreal. You're learning Unreal. It's Unreal that you're missing henna. No. All right. Okay. What did I say I was going to do? Oh, fix the animation. The animation should have something like the death state. Like then it, oh, you know what? I might have actually, no, it should be plain. Wait a minute. Death animation. Oh, I might have reset game.unity, in which case, okay, oh wait, you know what? Actually, it's not even that. I think it's maybe that the NPC object, the NPC guy, he does not have an animator. Let's see if he does. Patrol paths, enemy NPCs, chill at first guard. Audio source. Okay. Oh, how does this animator keep getting disabled? Like, what's the deal with that? That's the second time. I'm pretty sure it's the second time I've seen it disabled for what appears to me to be no reason. Okay. No, so I found out this morning that it's stuck. Okay, sorry. I found out this morning I am getting upgraded on Ethiopian Airlines for my flight for Friday, which is thank God, because I was stressed over that. It's costing a pretty penny, but that's okay because my comfort is worth a pretty penny. Let me see. So actually I need to go ahead and pick my seats. I'll do it off stream. But yeah, so it's because it's a 13.5-hour flight from here to Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. And then from Addis Ababa to Botswana, it is an 8-hour flight. So it is going to be, and I leave Friday morning at 10 a.m. local time. And then I arrive Saturday afternoon, 2 p.m. local time. So I basically lose a day. That's okay, though. That's all right. All right, so let's see if the animator's working now. Yeah, Mulan. Yeah, the wife stayed home from work today. She is downstairs. She is downstairs with the dog and the cats. Like I told you, like when she's home, I don't exist. In terms of as far as the animals are concerned, I don't exist when she is home. Okay, so let's see. We got the gun. I like how he's okay. Perfect. Now, I mean, that's a little strange. He does seem to end up half in, half out of the ground, but that's okay. Let's check this code in. I think this is good enough to check in right as it is. All right. Just need to load up source tree. I like source tree. It helps me visualize things in tree format, in tree form. Okay. There is one map thing I kind of want to do. Okay, come on, source tree. Come on, source tree. And we might work on that, Matthew, because it's going to take me probably about a half hour to do it. What? Okay. Is my... I think the battery in my mouse is dead. It's so... Here's the interesting thing about having a dead mouse. Is I have one USB cable, and the same USB cable, this USB cable, it powers the keyboard. So I can either, and I wish Not Sure was here because I'm almost certain that this fancy keyboard can do wireless, but apparently it cannot. I don't know what those options are. I think one of them's Mac PC. So apparently this keyboard can do wireless. But anyway, but right now it's not set up to do wireless. So I can either power my mouse or my keyboard, but not both. Not both. I'm going to give my mouse I'm going to give it a couple minutes to charge. Actually, let me go to the bathroom, and then I'm going to charge my mouse while I go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Oh, no, wrong one. This one. Nope. This is the one I want. Hi, Lisa. I'll be right back, Lisa. Ow, fuck. Oh. Oh, God. Okay, so let's see. All right, apparently I've got some mouse juice left. Let's turn this on. I'd like to know where I can figure out how much mouse power I have. Mouse juice, mouse power. Let me plug the mouse in. Let it get as much juice as possible. And I don't have another mouse handy. That's the problem. Oh, God damn it. I can't type the word mouse. How can I get the mouse settings? Okay, wait a minute. I have an idea. Okay, mouse juice. Okay, wait. I can copy the word mouse, copy. God damn it, I gotta do Control C. I can't do, okay, wait a minute. I have another idea. All right. Let's see, we're gonna try and do this. We're gonna try and do this with just the mouse. All right, so if I go here, okay, and then I can look up this, copy. All right. This is not that easy without a keyboard. Okay, okay, mouse settings. Will this tell me how much mouse juice I have? No, it doesn't. Okay, what kind of mouse is this? This is could somebody type in Logitech? Can somebody type in Logitech into the chat room? This is a group effort now. This is a group effort. I need somebody to type in the word Logitech so I can search for Logitech in my start menu. Thank you. Oh, God, you guys are so helpful. Thank you. Okay. Logitech. All right. I'm going to copy Matthew's because he came first. Okay. No. That's not what I want. I want the settings. Oh, God damn it. God damn it. That's not what I want either. We will help you figure out your life. I wish somebody would. Oh, I wish somebody would. Let me see. No. Yep, that's not going to work. Okay, how about wait a minute. I think I can do this if I just go here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, wait a minute. Mobile devices, apps. Okay, where can I find out how much mouse juice I have? That's all I want to know. Devices. Mouse. That's the same thing. I think I need the Logitech software. But, nah. All right, I think I have enough to... We'll see how it goes. I'm going to plug the keyboard back in. We're going to see how it goes. You can now use Flow with your mouse. Flow re-enabled MX vertical. Okay. All right. MX vertical. Here we go. Here's the app. Okay. Update successful. Close. Okay, so you can see battery level is low. Connected to Unify and receiver. So, yeah. Okay, well, thank you for giving me a number. Thank you. I appreciate it. Like, an actual number would be helpful, not just low. Like, can I see, like, is it like 10% low or is it 2% low? I'm going to have to remember to, I will have to remember to charge it. You know what? Wait a minute. I have a better idea. How about I just grab another cable? I'll be right back. Oh, God. Ah. Oh my God. What do you mean I suck? You shut up, Lisa. You suck. And not in a good way. What is this? Okay. I was on so this morning, right? Like I woke up. Yesterday I got up really early. I got up at like 4:30 yesterday. This morning I get up at 5:30. I get up at 5:30 in the morning this morning. Slept in a little bit. I do suck in the best way, but yeah, it's probably I just well, you know what? I was gonna make fun of it. I mean, not that I've ever experienced it firsthand, and I was gonna be like it's probably not that good. But and I don't mean any insult by this, Lisa. But you're a bigger girl, and I think you would admit that you're a bigger girl. And in my experience, the bigger girls always do it the best. I don't know what it is. Maybe they're just used to eating. Maybe they're just used to stuffing things down their mouth. But they are always the best. Always the best. I don't know why. The skinny ones can vary. But the bigger ones, always amazing. Always amazing. Matthew says, I'm so single. This morning, I wake up at 5:30. I get up. I had a great night's sleep. Fell asleep at like 10:30 in the morning. 10:30 at night. Fell asleep at 10:30 at night. Didn't wake up until 4:30 to go pee, and then got out of bed at 5:30, right? It was a solid, restful night's sleep. So I wake up and I do my normal morning thing, I'm getting my morning on, doing my morning stuff, and so I'm like at around 7 o'clock. It's a beautiful day outside, beautiful morning, nice and cool, dry. It's not humid. I'm like, I'm going to go on a run because I'm feeling fucking great. I'm going to go on a run. So I go on a run, and the circuit that I normally do takes me like alongside my neighborhood. And then there's these woods that go behind my house. So I'm able to like loop around past my house behind it, and then come around the other side, and do this big loop, right? And Lisa says, well, I think it has nothing to do with my weight. Probably not, but I'm just saying, in my experience, bigger girls are always excellent at that. Just in my experience. Anyway, so I loop around, and so that's my normal circuit, but I'm in the woods, and I trip over a rock. I trip, and I fell, but it wasn't, but the reason I fell was not because I lost my balance. I lost my balance, but I was able to catch my balance. But I fucking tore something in my calf. I don't know what, but I had to sit down and just wait. And it took me like a half hour to walk home because I was limping home. And I've been limping all day ever since. Just limp. It's been terrible. And I'm hoping it's better tomorrow. Addie, you're old. You're going to break a hip. I've been feeling like I'm going to break a hip. Trust me, I've been feeling like I'm going to break a hip. All right. What were we going to work on? We were going to do something. There was something else I wanted to talk about. I was thinking about doing a members only stream and then talking to you guys about something a little personal, but I don't know. Let me do this. Okay. Fixing the gun shooting sound. Okay. And this pull request, Lisa, it's called Lisa's boobs. Right here, Lisa's boobs. I hope if you are offended by that, Lisa, please let me know and I will change it. I will change it if you insist. Just mod chat it? No, I want to, because I need to verbalize it. I need to talk about it. I need to talk about it. Kyle is back. Sorry about that. You may think I vanished, but I am back. Well, it's nice, Kyle. You're supposed to just say hi. That is your key phrase, Kyle. That is your key. That's your shtick. And also, I thought you were going to work. Are you back from work that quickly? Is that what we are to believe? Is that you're already back from work? Kyle works so fast. He got 8 hours of work done in 20 minutes. That's what he did. Okay, let's see. All right. What else can we do? Some gameplay is what Matthew would say. All right, so we need to go home. Is the first mission of the game. Is to go home. Okay. Now, home is dictated to us by the little blinking star, or bright, let's see, it's down at the bottom. Okay, where the hell is this home? Okay, I think the home location needs to be updated because I don't think this is where the character lives. This is a little scary if you ask me. Oh, right here. Okay. Apparently, okay, so It's not registering that I have arrived home. Also, the controls feel a little awkward. Okay, you failed. Did I? Okay. That's something. Okay. Let's look at the missions. Missions. Task intro. Okay, so this is go home task. Okay, so the location is just kind of... It should be like, you know what? That should be like the spawn locations. It shouldn't necessarily be an X, Y, and Z. But maybe it's okay as an X, Y, and Z. Let's just try to make it somewhere that makes sense, though. So if we want to go here, let's go to this here. So this is... Where's the transform of that? Let me copy this. Copy position. All right, so we're going to come over here. Okay, so that's the location. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to where we were. And we're going to go here. Here we go. All righty. 518. The Y location, we're just going to put 0. Oh, you know what? I wonder if that's why I couldn't get to the other location, is because it had, what was it? It was 10. I might have been above 10, so I might not have been able to actually get down to it. So that might have been it. And then the Z is 484. Okay. So let's see what happens if we run this. Let's see if we can actually get to this. I want to make sure missions aren't broken. So Kyle, where did you go? It's good to see you back. I'm still disappointed that you're not Mr. Beast, but, you know, whatever. Okay, where is it taking me? Okay, so I think maybe I copied down local coordinates where I need, like, global coordinates, something like that. I think that's kind of what I need. Right? Oh, you know what? That's exactly what it was. Because this was the coordinates, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure if I buy that explanation. Okay, you know what? We have to get to the urinal. The urinal has to be the first mission point. That's the first mission point. All right, so copy position. Yeah. Is negative 660? Okay. All right. I mean, I guess we can try that. Okay. If that doesn't work, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the player coordinates. I'm going to grab the player coordinates, but we'll see. Time to switch to water, boys. Okay. Okay, this looks promising. You're home. Okay, so it did work. I think it was just a matter of the coordinate system was bad. I think what we do is we change this. We're going to change this to the waypoint system. How do we do that? That is a good question. That is an excellent question. Okay. So this is, what is this? So this is a task. And then I believe we derive different types of tasks, right? Like there should be, let's see. Yeah, arrive at task. That's it. And then, where's the location? Oh, it's here. Oh. Wait a minute. I'm going to go now. Have fun, Addie. Bye, Lisa. Love you. Okay. Task scriptable object. Vector 3 location. Okay. Because I'm thinking... See, okay. Yeah, no. Well, wait. Maybe. No. If I make them a game object on the scriptable object, that means that they have to be game assets themselves, which I don't know if I like that idea. I'm not particularly thrilled with that idea, so maybe I just keep them as something you have to type in one number by one number. Wow. Shouldn't this be a sprite, or is it spawning the prefab? What are you talking about? I'm talking about the location. This spawns the icon prefab, which is fine for a scriptable object. No. So what I'm saying is, here's what I'm saying. What am I saying? Okay, here's what I'm saying. So for the player, for example, right? If I go to the player, if I go to player entity, down here I have this spawn location. And the spawn location is just, it's just basically just a game object that's just, it's just a transform. That's all it is. And so what I can do is all right, I'm kind of talking myself out of this, or talking myself into it, but let me finish my thought. What I can do is I can just take this game object and I can drag it into this spawn location, right? And then that's where the player will spawn, or the NPCs will spawn, because NPCs have it. So I was thinking of doing something similar for the little task and mission thingies, right? Where I define the location. But since it's stored in a scriptable object, that means that the waypoints would essentially have to be assets. They would have to be viewable in the project window in order for me to be able to drag them onto a scriptable object. That's what I'm taking issue with. That's what I don't want. But as I was explaining that, I'm like, well, the spawn locations, like, those are game objects in the hierarchy, which the more I think about it, the less that kind of makes sense, right? Like the spawn location, well, yes and no. Because the spawn locations could be an object itself, right? So, I don't know. I forgot all about this thermal pool. going to have the player spawn at the thermal pool. I want to see the thermal pool. It's been a while since I've looked at the thermal pool. Empty transform and for spawn location is perfect. Right, and I don't want to have to make them objects in the project view. Or, yeah, I don't want to have to make them files, basically, in the project view. Oh, I can't see anything. I'm in the middle of nowhere and it's dark. Wait, let me turn the flashlight on. It's exactly what the flashlight's for. Let me turn this off. Why is the flashlight not working, Matthew? The flashlight's not working. All right. Oh, my stars and garters. Nah, don't have to be. They do if They do have to be asset files if I want to be able to drag them into the mission scriptable objects. Yes, they do. As far as I understand, they do. They have to. They can't be in the hierarchy. They have to be down in the project window. So see, look at this in the inspector. Yes, to do that. Yes, see that's what I was saying, Matthew. That's what I was getting at. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna text Lisa. I gotta complain to her. I gotta complain about Matthew to her. Okay. I'm going to turn the daylight on. I'm going to make it daytime. Then I think I'm going to go take a nap. I am like suddenly tired as hell. Let's see. Addie's simple day-night controller. I love it. Oh shit! Oh shit! I fell in the. God damn it! I fell in the goddamn water. Okay. I might have fallen through the map. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not called Louise. Jeez, Louise. You ever seen the movie Airplane? That's what that reminds me. Oh my god! I didn't start the game again. Surely, yes. Surely you must be kidding. Surely you can't be serious. I am serious. And don't call me Shirley. Okay. WTF, dude? I think I'm falling through the terrain, actually. Maybe. Right? Like over here. Like I'm not. Okay, over here. I'm falling through the terrain. Like, WTF? Like, what the fuck is happening? It has to be a problem with the waypoint. let's try running there. let's try walking there. Now that we have daylight. Okay, we gotta go all the way over here. I gotta go all the way over there. Okay, we can do it. We can do it. I just want to see the thermal pole. Oh shit, I forgot to reset the goddamn... You know what? We'll figure that out tomorrow. I'm going to call it a day. I'm so tired. I'm a little emotional, I think, right now, too. My head's not in the right place. So, all right, fellas. Rest up. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the Discord, and I'll see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock. All right. Bye, fellas.